Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us by WhatsApping us on the number that is provided on the channel and also on this video. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the next one that we are going to cover now is Brackley Road to Verdun Road. So let's look into this. So we can see our 2 points once again here. So the green point, we're starting from this point and coming down to this red point, the destination. So let's zoom in. So you can see that this is one way where we are. So just click on this point and come down and then come this way and then coming out, and then we'll come down here. Come down here, so we shouldn't touch this line here. Need to come down, and then we can come from here, and then we can simply take this road here, and sorry, this we need to change this. So we can go straight from here, straight, no touching any of those lines, straight here, straight from here, straight here. And I'm gonna zoom out just to show you where exactly we are so that we know what we need to do here. So this is the point here. So that means we need to come down towards this side. So this means from this point we can take the exit. Right, so in order to take the exit, we need to come this way. And this is the Hammersmith's flyover here. So under this there is a small roundabout. So we'll just come down here. And we will keep going straight. Straight here, straight here, straight here, and then our point is here, so we can come towards this side here and then just go straight, staying on the left side and also not touching any of these lines, and we can simply get to our point here. So when you come here, then just click on the point so that we know that okay, we have reached this point. And now so this is simple, just a couple of things here that how you get onto this road, and also from here that we need to take the exit to come on this, because this Hammersmith flyover is on top of us and we are under this flyover. So again, this is the most direct route. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.